Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change a screen record resolution to 1080p in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this option and how to change our screen recording resolution. So first of all we need to access settings. In settings we are going to display menu, display menu, and then at the bottom we have screen record. So when we open this menu here, we can choose one of these two resolutions, only two, but we can change it here. So as you can see, we have 720 here and 1080 here. And now we can close our menus and it has been changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.